Hello pilots of the internet and welcome to Power Up. I have to say one of my favorite things about the POWERUP 4.0 is just how versatile it is. The 3.0 is great for paper airplanes, but the 4.0 just opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. So I figured it'd be cool to talk about some of those options in this video, so let's get to it. I'd like to begin the video by discussing our DIY bundle, which is the spare parts kit and the accessories kit bundled together. You can get them independently, but the DIY bundle is going to offer you the widest array of possibilities for your POWERUP 4.0. You can see the spare parts kit, of course, comes with some spare parts, but the thing that's going to be of note in this video is the spare clip or the extra clip that comes in that spare parts kit. And over here you can see in our accessories kit you get some landing gear, which is awesome, but the focus again is going to be on these clips over here. You can see we get a nice variety of different clips that are going to allow us to connect our POWERUP 4.0 to different materials and even to paper airplanes in different ways than we traditionally would. So let's take a look at those possibilities. In my opinion, Hammerhead is one of the coolest paper airplanes offered in the POWERUP paper airplane book. But you can see because it has a main wing and canards, we actually need two different mounting points to connect this correctly to the POWERUP 4.0, which of course just comes with this clip on the front of the module. So using a clip from the spare parts kit and a mount from the accessories kit, we can combine those, and I'll show you exactly how we do that, by placing the mount on top of the shaft and kind of like Legos, just fitting this clip into the mount, and of course we'd screw them together as well. You create that mounting point for the rear wing. And what's really cool about mounting things to the shaft of the module is that you can slide the mounting point forward and backward, and here I'll reconnect the wings so you can see the implication is that you can move whatever is mounted to that point, and that's going to affect the center of gravity of the airplane, and you can kind of really dial the flight patterns or flight tendencies of your model in by doing that. Here you can see the awesome FT22 Raptor designed by the team over at Flight Test, and you can tell I have already been flying and crashing mine with all of the excitement of a 5-year-old. But the challenge here is because of the thickness of the foam, we can't use the clip at the front of the module in order to connect our POWERUP 4.0 to that. So we are again going to use some parts, this time just from the accessory kit, to create a mounting mechanism for the POWERUP 4.0 to attach to that module, or to the plane rather. And you can see I've done just that using this clip here, the mounting point here, and putting those on the shaft of the module. I've created a point where now I can just slide this right on to the edge of this kind of vertical strut on the bottom of the plane, and we have a good mounting point for our POWERUP 4.0 on the bottom of the FT22 Raptor. So this is a really, really useful clip. It can mount not just to foam, but it's actually the same mount I used when attaching my module to the infinity wing that you may have seen in an earlier video on the channel. And not just foam and cardboard, it actually works really, really well for balsa wood also. So if you get the Tornado Updraft designed by the Nighthawk Gliders, then this clip is going to be the same clip you use for connecting your module to that. And actually they'll invite you to use two clips, which can both be found in the accessory kit. Now, while the previous clip was really good for attaching your module vertically to materials such as foam, cardboard, balsa, these clips here allow you to connect to horizontal surfaces of those same materials. And you can see here we have the Easy Bug, and if I just kind of place these into the provided holes, slide my clips on, we are going to be good and attached with our module. So that's very easy. And then you also have this clip, which is even longer, but still serves essentially the same purpose, mounting to those same materials. All right, now that we've explored some of the possibilities with the POWERUP 4.0, it is time to get outside and have a bit of fun. Now obviously the planes shown in this video represent just a small fraction of what is possible with the POWERUP 4.0, which really can turn almost anything into a flying machine. It's pretty incredible what the POWERUP 4.0 is capable of, and the connectors found in the DIY kit will make sure that you have the widest array of options when trying to connect your POWERUP 4.0 to different materials. Some of the most fun I've had with the POWERUP 4.0 has come from experimentation with different planes and different materials, and I really think with the DIY kit you'll be able to explore all of those possibilities for yourself, and I'd highly encourage you to do so. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, be sure to like and subscribe for more amazing content, and let us know down in the comments what you plan to do with your POWERUP 4.0. I'll see you next time.